Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today in this computer class we are going to read a new topic, and that is what if analysis. Now do you know what is this what if analysis? At least you can try its Hindi meaning. What if analysis? What if analysis means in Hindi, if we talk, it is क्या हो अगर, क्या हो अगर और उसका विश्लेषण. So this what if analysis is the process of changing the values in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. Actually, what if analysis is a powerful feature in a spreadsheet that helps to run reverse calculations, sensitive analysis, and scenarios comparison. Now, there are three kinds of what if analysis tools. The three kinds of what if analysis tools are scenario, goal seek, and solver. Today we will learn about it one by one. So let us discuss about scenario first. Now, what is this scenario? Scenario is a tool to test what if questions. Scenario is a set of values that spreadsheet saves and can substitute automatically in cells on a worksheet. So, as you are seeing here, I have taken an example. Suppose there is a car showroom in Giridih. Its name is the Giridih Cars, situated at Tundi Road, Giridih, Jharkhand. Now, what happens? Any businessman has a goal to achieve more and more. Whatever they achieve, they will again target for a bigger achievement. So in that case, they plan for it, how to increase the income. They plan for it. They don't just plan, they work upon it also. But how to work, what is the target, and how much they have to work, they have to just plan for it. So this Giridih Cars also has planned for the next 3 years. As you see here, let me first show you the scenario 1 and tell you that last year their sale was 5 crores 10 lakh 50,000 50 only. Now they have planned for this year, suppose for this year, and this is the scenario 1. Now here, as you can see, the Giridih Cars sells different models. Suppose it is Alto, Dzire, Swift, Baleno, Brezza. The rate has been given in this column. And the number of cars they have planned to sell as per scenario 1 is as described here. They have planned to sell at least 22 cars of Alto model, 25 of Dzire, 27 of Swift, 15 of Baleno, and 17 of Brezza. And if they are able to sell this much, they will get this much amount. The total amount is 5 crores 19 lakhs roundabout. And as you can see, last year their sale was 5 crores 10 lakh 50,000 50, and this year they are going to increase about 8 lakhs 49,950. So they are going to act upon this. This is the target for this year. But they have not planned for this year only, they have planned for the next year also. Now just be careful about the number of cars. Here it is 22, 25, 27, 15 and 17. What about according to scenario 2? Let us see. Oh, they are going to sell more cars. This time they are going to sell this Alto 20 cars, Dzire 21, Swift 22, Baleno 23 and Brezza 24. And as they have increased the number of cars, the value is also increased. And this time the total sale is going to be 5 crores 54 lakhs 50,000. Means they have increased their sale up to 43 lakhs 99,950. Now you must be remembering, according to scenario 1, it was only 8 lakhs 49,950, and as per scenario 2, they are going to save or increase the sale up to 43,99,950. They are planned for the third year also, the next third year also, as scenario 3. As per this, they have again increased the number of cars. Now Alto is 23, Dzire is 24, Swift is 25, Balloon is 26 and Brezza is 27. They have taken it as a target. And as per the target, if they work upon it, their sale is going to increase. The total sale is going to be 6,29,50,000. Mind that the last year sale was only 5,10 lakhs about, and for the third year they are going to increase up to 6,29,50,000. And the increase in sale is going to be about 1,18,99,950. Now, what is the use of these scenarios? I have already described that they have just planned, they have just made a target as per scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3. You can also say what will happen if. Now you can see the term is is being used. What if? So what will be the increase in sale if the number of cars as per scenario 1 is this much. Now what and if these two terms have been used. What is going to be the increase in sale if the number of cars is this much? As per scenario 2 also, you can again ask the same question. What is going to be the increase in sale if the number of cars are this much? And again, what is going to be the sale as per scenario 3 if the number of cars is this much? And you can see the increase in sale has increased. Now the next question is, how do we create this scenario? How do we make this scenario? So for that we'll have to take some data, and in this class we'll take the data right from here only. Suppose this is the data. I'm going to copy it and paste it somewhere here. Now I've got the data, and our target is for the next 5 years. Suppose they have taken a target for the 3 years, and I'm going to take the target for the next 2 more years. So how shall we create this scenario? So once you have got the data, just select the 2 columns where the data is going to change. The rate is going to remain the same, the models are same, the number of cars is going to change, and the same way sale value is also going to change. So we'll just select those 2 columns which are going to change. Once you have selected, go to the tools menu and click upon scenario, rename it. Let us rename it as target for 2024. Now here there are 4 options. You just unclick this copy back because we do not need it to be copied back. You can change the display border as per your choice. Let it be green and just click OK. So this is as per 2024. What shall we do if we want to create one more scenario for 2025? So first change the number of cars. Let it be 35, 38, 39, 40 and 42. I have just put the formula to calculate the sale value. So you can see as I was changing the value, the sale value was also changing. So this I have changed. I have changed the number of cars. So again I will have to select these 2 columns. Go to tools data, click on scenarios, change the name. Now this time it is going to be 2025 and click upon. You can change the color. One more thing, do not unclick this copy back change the border if you wish, let it be yellow, and just click OK. So this is for 25. Previous was 24, this one is 25. So now you can see, just clicking upon we have got a facility here to look for the different years one by one. So if you wish to look for 2024, click upon this arrow mark, choose your option, and here is the data. So this is how we create different scenarios. I have created 2 more scenarios here. 3 scenarios you have already seen here, and if you wish to again find the output as total sale in the present scenario or increase in sale, you will have to again calculate it and put it here. So this is how we create scenario. I think you must have understood it. Just try it yourself. That's all for today. Thank you.